Dress smart. Decoding Workplace Attire. Hello learners. Today, we're diving deep into the world of workplace culture, focusing on a key element of nonverbal communication: appearance and attire. The clothes we wear and our overall appearance can convey a lot about our professionalism and understanding of workplace norms. Let's learn how to make a great first impression. Workplace attire isn't just about fashion or personal preference. It's about fitting into a professional environment and showing respect for the company's culture and its people. Wearing appropriate attire. 1. Creates a professional image. When you dress appropriately, you're seen as someone who understands and respects the workplace culture. 2. Boosts confidence. Knowing you're dressed right can give you a confidence boost. 3. Sets the tone for interactions. People often treat you according to how you present yourself. Dressing professionally can set a tone for serious, respectful interactions. Different workplaces have different attire expectations. Here are the common types. 1. Business formal. This is the most professional dress code. For men, it might involve a dark-colored suit, white shirt, tie, and dress shoes. For women, it could be a business suit, blouse, and heels or professional flats. 2. Business casual. A more relaxed version of professional wear. Men might wear khakis or dress pants with a polo shirt or button-down shirt. Women could opt for a skirt or pants with a nice blouse. 3. Casual. Think of this as weekend wear. Jeans, t-shirts, and sneakers might be acceptable. However, it's still essential to look neat and avoid overly casual items like flip-flops or tank tops. 4. Uniform. Some jobs require a specific uniform, like nurses, police officers, or retail employees. Always ensure your uniform is clean and fits well. 1. Research the company. Before starting a job or attending an interview, try to find out the company's dress code. If in doubt, it's always safer to dress slightly more formally. 2. Prioritize comfort. While looking professional is essential, so is being comfortable. Choose attire that you can wear comfortably for long hours. 3. Accessorize wisely. Accessories can elevate your outfit. But avoid overly flashy items. Simple watches, belts, and minimalistic jewelry usually work best. 4. Stay updated. Dress codes can change, especially as workplaces become more modern and relaxed. Stay updated with the latest trends and adapt accordingly. And that wraps up our discussion on workplace attire. Remember, your appearance is a powerful nonverbal communication tool. Dressing appropriately not only showcases your understanding of workplace culture but also paves the way for successful interactions. We hope this video has provided you with clarity on dressing right for the workplace. Stay smart, dress smart, and see you in our next lesson.